Alright guys, welcome back to my channel and today let's go to continue our lesson and today I have this object and you can note it and let's start to make it this prototype, okay? So follow me. Okay guys, first of all you have to make it a new one for the head, okay? Make this one new and you choose the hybrid design, okay? This one, okay, and create new, okay, and just close it, that one, and let's start to make it from here, okay, make it state, this explain, make it 100 to the left, 100 to the right. Actually guys, I have my own dimension for this object, so you can follow my own, or if you want to use your own, it is up to you guys. I just share my own dimension, okay, to make it this prototype. Okay, you got it? Okay, from here, 10 to the right, and 5 to the up, and use 3.R from here to here. Like that. Just like that, okay, and hit 3 for dimension, make it 10 radius, okay, and then the stream, this line and this line. Okay, make it same like before, 10 and 5 to the up, and 3.R. Like that, dimension 10, okay, and trim, line and connect it to the left, like that, and use tangent to this edge and this line, okay, like that, and finish it. Let's go to make it extrude the space, okay, make it 115. That's a new value, okay, and okay, and take the space and press L, start to make it a stitch on the space, okay, use a center rectangle, find the center point, and also find the center point right here, okay, and make it 400, and make it this one is 120, and enter, finish text, and then extrude to the up, make it 400, and the reverse is -1, like that, and okay, and suggest let's do it to make it the next part, replace, and create a sketch on the space, okay, make it the offset, modify and offset, and make it -15, like that, okay, and make it a line from the center right here, make it 15, okay, and make it line to the right, like that, to the left, like that, and make it a distance between this one, okay, and you can just trim that line and make it again like before, make it like that, okay, and make it about 15, Okay, and line again to the right, like that, and left, right there. Okay, and modify and trim. Okay, just keep make it like before, okay? Like the steps I show you. Okay, and we already get finished the last one. Let's make it like this and like this. Select it also and finish this, okay? And let's start to extrude, okay? Use this one, this one, this one, this one, and also this one. Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 okay? And next just go to extrude. Make it minus 95 and enter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? Okay. And then let's go to click this libraries and create as component, okay? Make it from libraries to components. And then let's start make it this part. Let's add on the space and use offset. Okay, use them. There's about 1 or 0, 0.5, sorry. And then extrude. Make it 96 like that, and make it the operation is remove component. And then yes, okay. Click this one and move. Move components out. Okay. Okay, and then I wanna make it get on the space. Use offset. Okay, let's make it 7 or 10. Now to make it 7, okay. Like that, reset and extrude, okay. Extrude until ready, and the duration is 1, like that. Okay, it's already and limit is 1. It's already component, and you have to doing this component. You can just make it join and click for the snap right here and press it on the inside like that. Okay. Okay, you can use or change the motion, okay? From rigid, you have to push to the slider like that and make it the minimum or and the maximum, okay? The minimum is 0, the maximum is 100 like that. The animation and okay. Okay, and also make it like before. Step minus 05. New values 96. New components and okay. Move and change the name component of make it 2. Yeah, like that. And create a sketch offset about -7. Finish. Extrude down -40. Repeat this one. Enter. And drawing. Here, right here, the snap to the inside. Like that. Okay. The motion is minimum 0, maximum is 100. Like that. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the next part. Do the same for the steps. Minus 0.5. Extra 96. Operation is ready and okay. Then shift to the 3. 394. 3. Move it. Move out. Okay. And okay. Next stage on the space. Make it with offset. -7. And that's good. Okay guys, keep going with that way, okay? Okay, and going. Okay, I will skip the step, okay? You can just follow like the step before, okay? Because each step, okay? Okay guys, I already make it record. Record for the drawer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then let's go to the next part. We have to do make it the handle, okay? Make the space and press L. Make it from center. Like that. Make it with circle dimension is 30. Then make it 2.5. No pressure. Okay, and just delay. That's it. And extrude this one. Need 2.5. Delay. 2.5. Extrude. 2.5. Delay. 0.5. And this one, last one is make it 5. And then delay. 2.5. Use construct. Tangle plane. And use the space. Okay, and this okay. Okay, click the space for this plane. Press L on the keyboard. And just make it a circle. Okay. Right here is 5, make it a 3. Just extrude. Okay, and okay. And make it the next one. The same millimeters, the same dimension for the handle, okay? Okay. 2.5 filling, 2.5 filling, 0.5 extra, 2.5 filling, 2.5 extra, and this one is 2.5 filling. One is 5, filling 2.5, construct, hanging plane. This one, and extra on this one plane. Press L and directly make it to center of circle right here. Make it 3 for the circle and start to cut it through the release and make it to half, okay? And then make it for the 6th row, okay? I just skip it. I guess I already made it this part. And the last one I have to make it the ring or the handle, okay? So let's follow me. Okay, use offset plan with this one and it just to the break make it minus 2.5 and use create and torus click on this offset plan, okay? Click and start making it from here. Okay, just make it 60 like that. And operation is doing. Our parameter is 2 like that and okay. And simulation make it a ring. So let's try to make it on the other drawer and offset plan right here and pull it to the break minus 2.5 and start to make it the ring with the torus on this offset plan and from here right here and make it system. Okay, also it like that from here. Okay, okay. Enter. Operation is flowing. Our server is two. Sorry. Two for diameter. And enter. Like that. Okay guys, continue until the 6 hour, okay? And I will skip it. Okay guys, I already made it all of the rings for the handles. Okay, so the last one I have to make it the appearance and I want to change it. I use a wood, okay, to the appearance and I use a cherry. I put all of them like that. Okay, and close it. Okay, okay, and I want to show you how to make it the motion for this one. With a drawer, okay. Make it with this motion ring. This one and this one. Okay, and you can make it drawer open like that. Okay, and the other one. Okay. Okay, and the other one. Like that. Just wait. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed to design this drawer cabinet. So like, comment, and subscribe guys. And see you on the next video. Okay. Bye bye.